lactation cookies, lactation bar. Should I order this? I any which ways have a low breast milk supply. So if I'll eat this, I think it will help me in increasing my supply. Let me just order it. I think now my supply will be boosted. Hey guys, do you also go and buy such lactation cookies and NutriBar and assuming that only they will help you in increasing the supply? Watch this video till the end because I'm going to give a little information regarding this. So hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Yashika, your nutritionist, a qualified dietitian and a certified breastfeeding counselor. इतना ही नहीं, I do solids consultation also and I am a kids nutritionist also. So today we are going to talk in this video about is or will the nutrition and the lactation bar helps you in increasing the supply. So I'm not against all those companies who are making nutrition bars and lactation bars basically that helps in increasing the supply. हम आज उसी के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. मैं किसी के अगेंस्ट नहीं हूँ, बट दे डू हेल्प. ओके, आई विल नॉट से दैट दे आर यूजलेस एंड दे आर नॉट हेल्पिंग. दे डू हेल्प, but we are going to talk about few facts that supports your breastfeeding journey. So जो bars that supports, but only they are responsible to boost and increase the supply? No. There are various different things which we need to focus on breastfeeding, and that helps in increasing your supply along with your bars. So now let's just discuss about the basics of breastfeeding. Now breastfeeding works on demand and supply. More demand, more supply. More demand by the baby with correct breastfeeding techniques helps in increasing the supply. Correct breastfeeding techniques are correct positioning and latching, and correct positioning and latching you can learn from me via an online or offline consultation. I have counseled almost 700 plus mothers in this last 4 years, and I have a good online experience. So if you are interested in breastfeeding consultation, you can go to our website. I will add that website detail in this description box. वहाँ से आप ले सकते हो. ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग में जितना ज़्यादा बच्चा अच्छी तरीके से ब्रेस्ट फीड करेगा, द बेबी इज़ द पर्सन हु इज़ गोइंग टू इंक्रीज योर सप्लाई. So without thinking anything else that I have to breastfeed for long duration, XYZ things, focus on correct breastfeeding techniques in the initial days. Now let's come to what we are over here. So about those lactation bars. So what all are the ingredients there in the lactation bars? Now the ingredients basically are some grain flour, which can be your ragi or your oats flour, that really helps in increasing the supply. But आप ऐसे भी oats खा लोगे, porridge बना के या oats का किसी भी format में include करके खा लोगे, so it is going to help you. They do add dry fruit. So we Indians have dry fruit laddus prepared and gond ke laddus along with dry fruit. That really helps. Now why these things are helping is because they are giving you good energy, good fiber. Dry fruits give you good fats that helps in increasing the milk supply. So yes, they are helpful if you are living alone and if you don't have any person to make such things for you. Yes, these bars are definitely going to help, but along with your correct breastfeeding techniques only. So they do have jaggery also. Jaggery basically helps in the giving the little bit of warmth, the little bit of sweetness in your diet. They do have dates give you iron. So basically these bars are for your recovery mostly. You need them to be recovered. Your body is आपके body में से सब कुछ निकल चुका है. Baby have taken everything, so now your body needs all these stores, good fats and all. And when your body has these stores, they do help in increasing the supply. So diet में से भी आप include कर सकते हो, and you can go and have these bars, not a problem, I'm not against of that, but then if you can manage and include these things from your diet, you don't need them. If you cannot, yes, you need them. However, these bars and cookies and all have come into place in last few years, or maybe, you know, because what happens is they have researched a lot, and what happens is when you deliver in some cultures, or I will say in most of the cultures, if the mother doesn't know, and if mother cannot, you know, convince the family to give her normal balanced diet, for so many days or months the mother has been given bland foods which includes only few ingredients, and that is little bit, you know, we associate our food with a psychology, so our mood. So if you have to continuously eat few vegetables only, it is very tiring, and thus these cookies definitely, or these bars definitely help you in having something interesting throughout the day. But if at all you are in a state that you can have all things, ऑल बैलेंस्ड मील, इसके ऊपर मैंने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो बनाया हुआ है दैट व्हाट यू कैन हैव एज अ ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग मदर, तो इसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी, सो यू कैन गो एंड चेक दैट. बट इफ़ यू आर हैविंग अ प्रॉपर बैलेंस्ड मील स्टार्टिंग से ही, you don't need these bars, but if you are not having those meals, yes, these bars are definitely going to help you. जैसे मैंने बोला कि डाइट में से भी हम कर सकते हैं. सो इफ़ यू स्टार्ट इंक्लूडिंग ड्राई फ्रूट्स, इफ़ यू स्टार्ट इंक्लूडिंग शतावरी, इफ़ यू स्टार्ट इंक्लूडिंग your proper balanced diet. So what is a balanced diet? So balanced diet means you have some portion of carbohydrates, which is your rotis and rice. You have some portion of your protein, which can be your whole pulses, yeah, dals and all, or maybe paneer, or maybe curd. You have a good source of fiber and micronutrients which comes from your salad as well as your vegetables. And I am going to tell over here that you can eat every vegetable, you can eat every whole pulses. In that also includes rajma and chole. कुछ नहीं होगा बच्चे को, don't worry about that. This is what we fear, that बच्चे को कुछ हो जाएगा and then we don't eat, but then we are missing out very interesting food. We love our food and that's where, you know, we are not connected to our food, और वही हमको नहीं करना है. So you have to have a proper balanced meal. If you eat that 3 times a day, your breakfast, lunch and dinner, and a good and a healthy snack, so your bars can be included in the snacking thing, or else if you have made dry fruits oats laddu at home, or whatever your gom and dry fruit laddu, you don't need any bars. So if you can manage via your meals, you don't need all those bars and cookies. If you cannot, yes, they can be a help. But just to conclude this video, the proper technique is the only way is going to help you increase the breast milk supply. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग मुझे DMs में आगे बोलते हैं I have tried this, I have tried this, I have tried this, but then still breastfeeding is not increasing. The only reason when I deep dive into that case, I come to know that the mother is not breastfeeding correctly, or the mother is breastfeeding very frequently. So एक कॉन्सेप्ट हमें माइंड से ये निकालना है दैट बेबी इंक्रीजेज द सप्लाई, बेबी नीड्स टू बी ब्रॉट टू द ब्रेस्ट मोर फ्रिक्वेंटली विदाउट थिंकिंग कि अगर बाहर जाएंगे हम तो हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू मैनेज. दैट इज गोइंग टू कम इन द लेटर स्टेजेस. अभी तो हमको सिर्फ इंक्रीज करने का काम करना है. सो लेट द बेबी डू इट्स जॉब. And that's it for this video. I hope you really like this video, and do subscribe to this channel. After so long I have come up with this new video, and thank you. Subscribe करना मत भूलना और share कर देना अगर कोई low breast milk supply से जूझ रहा है, and they have also tried having these bars and cookies kind of a thing. So stay tuned. Bye. See you in the next video.